Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an LG front load washing machine. So we are going to start with the powder area. I'm going to press the push button that is written over here to separate this powder area from the washing machine, and then I'm going to remove it and wash it in a sink. As you can see, it's very dirty. I'm going to use a toothbrush to wash it. So the next area I'm going to wash is where the powder area was. As you can also see, there's too much washing powder. So I'm just going to clean this with a cloth. As you can see, the area is very dirty. It has some washing powder that is still there, so my hands can fit in there, so that's why I can put my hands in and try to clean the place. So I'm going to clean it until I get the satisfaction that it is clean. As you can see, it's getting clean now. It's very clean. I love how clean it is. So the next part we are going to wash is the tub. Now we are first going to wash these rubbers. These rubbers have a lot of dust. They hold a lot of dust and a lot of stuff, even buttons, earrings. Yeah, so I'm also going to clean these rubbers using a cloth, the same cloth that I was cleaning it with. As you can see, I'm going to show you how dirty it is. Just check how dirty this is. So I'm just going to wash all round the whole rubber around the tub area. Once I'm done cleaning the rubber area, I'm just going to clean also the door area, the washing machine door area, and the door itself, as well as the glass, just to make sure the whole area is very clean, also at the top of the machine as well. So now the next step we are going to wash is this bottom area that collects a lot of dirt. There's this small tube that collects lots of dust and water. So we're just going to open this knob. As you can see, it's draining some water and the water is very dirty. So we are going to drain this until all the water is out. We're just going to leave it to drain as we clean the other area. Next is this other big knob that also holds water and dirt. It also collects a lot of dirt. So we're just going to open it up anti-clockwise and remove this part, and then you're just going to see how dirty, how it collects so much dirt and water as well. So this is how we open it. As you see, this has collected even candy candy wrappers. We have papers inside as well. It's very dirty. So we are also going to clean this in the sink with a brush. Look at how dirty that area is. I'm going to use a cloth as well to clean that area. Just look at how dirty it is. Once we are done cleaning it, we are going to return this knob in the small tube, the knob that we removed in the beginning, and then we are going to place back the small tube where it's supposed to be before we cover up the hole and clean the rest of the stuff in the sink area. The next step is cleaning the powder container using a toothbrush. If you have an old toothbrush, you can use it. If you also have a small brush, you can use it as well. So I'm just going to remove every part of it. It's very dirty. I'm just going to clean it until it's clean to my satisfaction. Look at how that collects into these things without us knowing. So once we are done cleaning this, as you also remember, we removed the bottom area thing. As you can see, this thing that had collected a candy wrapper, we are also going to wash it with a toothbrush and clean it until it's clean before we return it to the washing machine. It's so easy to wash this stuff. You can decide to do this stuff over the weekend, anytime that you're free. So now that it is clean, I'm going to return this knob into the washing machine area, the bottom area, and place it, turn it clockwise until it's tightly closed. And then I'm going to close this other small part just to make everything as it was in the beginning. So also the powder area is clean and dry. I'm also going to place it back to where it was before we start cleaning the tab area. Now for the tab area, I'm going to use white vinegar, which I'm going to pour some amount, like a cup of it or two, into the tab area. The next thing I'm going to use is bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to pour this, some small amount, into the powder area, and also add some water just to make sure that it is in liquid form before we start the washing machine. So I'm going to power on the washing machine. And then the next thing, I'm going to choose the tab clean setting. If you don't have this in your machine, you can use the quick 30. It also works well. So I'm going to set this to the tab clean and start the washing machine. Once we are done doing this, the machine starts cleaning immediately. This is how you can see the water getting into the washing machine, and also the machine has already, the tab has also started cleaning itself up. Once it's done, your machine is ready to use.